We're diving into the mysterious world of hidden fortunes as we count down the top 5 most famous lost treasures in history. Let's get started. Number 5, the treasure of the Knights Templar. Rumored to include gold, jewels, and sacred relics, the Templar treasure vanished after the order was disbanded in 1307. Some believe it's hidden in secret locations, inspiring legends like the Da Vinci Code. Number 4. The Flor de la Mar. This Portuguese ship sank in 1511 off the coast of Sumatra, carrying one of the largest treasures ever assembled, including gold and precious gems. Despite countless expeditions, it remains lost to the ocean depths. Number 3. The Lost City of Atlantis. A mythical city said to be submerged underwater. Atlantis is believed to hold unimaginable wealth and advanced technology. Real or not, it's kept treasure hunters dreaming for centuries. Number 2. The Lost Dutchman's Mine. This legendary gold mine is said to be hidden in Arizona's Superstition Mountains. Treasure hunters have searched for it for over a century, but no one struck gold yet. Number 1. Montezuma's treasure. Legend has it that the Aztec emperor's vast gold and riches were hidden to keep them out of Spanish hands. It's believed to be buried somewhere in Mexico or the southwestern United States. And that's just the start. There are so many more treasures out there waiting to be discovered. Which one fascinates you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories from history.